Bakuchiol might just be the skincare hero you've been overlooking. While many rave about retinol for its anti-aging properties, Bakuchiol offers a plant-based alternative without the irritation some experience from retinol. This ingredient is derived from the seeds of the Sorelia coralifolia plant and has been making waves for its ability to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, all while being gentle and soothing on the skin. People with sensitive skin or those who are new to retinoids can particularly benefit from its mild nature, providing similar benefits without common side effects like redness or peeling. In a world where natural ingredients are celebrated, Bakuchiol stands out, bridging the gap between efficacy and gentleness, and proving that powerful skincare doesn't have to be harsh.